Here we are, with the semi-weekly tech updates, so let's get started. Netflix lost its 200,000 subscribers, wiping out $50 billion of its market capitalization. Netflix has recently published its first quarter earnings, showing that it lost its 200,000 subscribers for the first time in the decade, and has predicted to lose another 2 million in the second quarter. Netflix's stock has dropped 35% on Wednesday, instantly wiping out $50 billion of the value or market capitalization of the company. Apple's nudity blurring message feature is now rolling out globally. Apple is globally releasing a communication safety feature for messages that is intended to prevent children from viewing or sharing images that contain nudity. This feature has been released in the US since December 2021 and is now coming to the Messages app on iOS, iPadOS, and macOS for users in the UK, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. Tesla has plans to build a RoboTaxi with no steering wheel. During Tesla's latest earnings call this week, the company said its highly efficient RoboTaxi will arrive in 2024. CEO Elon Musk said that, "We are working on a new vehicle that I alluded to at the Giga Texas factory opening, which is a dedicated RoboTaxi. It is going to be highly optimized for autonomy, meaning it will not have a steering wheel or pedals." But the CEO's history of missed deadlines kind of makes us doubt it. Google is going to ban third-party call recording apps on Android. Google is killing third-party call recording apps on Android according to the policy of its Play Store. Google isn't killing off call recording apps on Android altogether. Instead, it's simply limiting the types of apps that have the access to that functionality of Android privacy controls. Company will begin rolling out this policy update to Play Store on May 11th. Godzilla and King Kong are coming to Call of Duty Warzone. The Call of Duty developers Activision Blizzard confirmed a long-rumored crossover for Call of Duty Warzone. Godzilla and King Kong will arrive in the Battle Royale on May 11th. The trailer shows the two beasts fighting against one another, same as of the movie. You can check out the trailer and link is in the description below. Twitter is banning misleading climate change advertisements. On Earth Day, Twitter announced a ban on ads that promote climate change denial. Twitter's move follows action taken by other tech companies, such as Google, Meta, and Pinterest. The company did not specify whether the change would affect what users post on its site, but said that it will provide additional information in the coming months. Google has filed a trademark for its upcoming Pixel Watch. There's a big chance that Google's long-rumored smartwatch will be called the Pixel Watch. The tech giant has filed paperwork with the United States Patent and Trademark Office to trademark its upcoming watch. John Prosser, known for leaking upcoming releases in tech, previously said that Google is planning to launch its first smartwatch on May 26. Based on previous rumors and rendering leaks, the company's first developed smartwatch will have a circular face with no bezel. Twitter has placed a shadow ban on Elon Musk's account. Following Musk's last controversial post, the social media platform placed a shadow ban on his account. This week, he continued to cause some controversy with his posts, where he often shares memes, a sort of a funny picture available on social media. In the post, Musk shared a picture of the founder of Microsoft Corporation and one of the world's richest businessmen, Bill Gates. Now, let's take a look at the crypto market of this week. Bitcoin remained below the $40,000 mark for majority of the week, falling 2% in the last 7 days, whereas Ethereum is below $3,000, falling 4% in last 7 days. Similarly, altcoins among the 15 largest crypto tokens such as Solana, Polkadot, Litecoin, and BNB also seem to be in downtrend for this week. This downfall in price is due to several factors such as rising inflation, geopolitical crises, and change in monetary policy. This much for today. And thank you for watching. Also, consider subscribing to the channel to never miss any updates.